Hi there, Amit here for Advice Media, and here we have the Moto X Android smartphone. The smartphone which has been getting a lot of anticipation this year, and in this video we are going to do a quick overview and the first boot of this device. So here's the device. As you can see, it's in the white variant. There are many other options available, like in the form of customizations, wherein you can change the back panel, the camera panel, the right side buttons, the front frame, so everything as such, but that's limited only to AT&T, and since this is a unlocked version, we don't get these kind of customizations. And even the other company, like if you purchase it from other networks like Verizon, then you don't get these customization options and you just get the white and the black variant. So here's the unlocked variant from AT&T, but we didn't get the customization options, and we were actually more interested in the wooden version, wherein there was a wooden back panel, but that's not available as of now, and that will be available after a month at an additional charge of $50. So that's about the device. Let me just boot it up for the very first time. And here we have the beautiful Motorola logo, which looks quite beautiful. As you can see, there are a lot of animation in the boot logo, so that's pretty interesting. And we are on to the start page. Let me just skip these things and take you to the home page now. So it says you're all set, Moto X is ready to use. You can move photos, pictures, videos, call history from another phone to this one. If you want to do that, you have to tap on yes, let's go, or let's go to the home screen. So let's go to the home screen, and this is the beautiful and vibrant display which we get here on this 4.7 inches AMOLED display. And this is the default wallpaper which you get on this Android smartphone. Now let me take you to the apps area and show you what all apps we get here. So these are the two pages of applications which we get here. As you can see here, one of the most important application which we see here is the Moto Assist, which is actually useful if you're actually driving, like let Moto Assist help. The task you do most, we can do that automatically, like you can communicate hands-free while driving, silence the ringer and auto reply during meetings, keep your phone quiet at night. So that is pretty interesting. Let's check out the demo of that. So to work, we'll need to pull some information from your device like accelerometer and services such as GPS, Google location to determine when you may be driving, your calendar entries to see when you're busy. So let's try it out, and in the future I'll be actually showing you a demo while driving of the Moto Assist. So as of now, let me just skip this and show you a demo later on. Let's go to the applications area and check out the other applications. So as you can see, there are a few other apps, like there's a migrate application, which is actually useful if you want to move the text messages, call history, SIMs, contacts, media, volume and brightness from your earlier smartphone. So this is actually being done by downloading an application on the other smartphone and then syncing the data from the other device. Apart from that, you have a MotoCare application which will help you around this device if you have any issues with the same. And there's a navigation from Google, the phone, playbooks, play magazine, quick office, translate, visual voicemail, voice search and YouTube. So most of the other standard applications which you get in the most Android smartphones. Let me go to the storage and show you the current storage which we get out of the box. So here, as you can see, it's 11 GB storage space out of the box available, while this is the 16 GB variant, and there are only two variants available, that's 16 and 32 gig, and this is the 16 gig version. And considering that 11 GB is pretty decent enough, considering that it doesn't have a lot of useless applications like what we get on Samsung based devices, and also the TouchWiz UI. So this is almost like a stock ROM which you get on this device. Talking about the notifications area, you get the regular notifications area as you can see here, and tapping on this option takes you to other options available here. So that is pretty interesting. You can directly go to the settings from here, and when you talk about the OS version, it's Android 4.2.2 Jelly Bean, and we really hope that Motorola would soon update this device to Android 4.4, that's KitKat, which was actually announced today itself. So that's about the latest version available. Let me just give a quick checkup on the system updates later on, because there's no Wi-Fi connected as of now. Apart from that, talking about some other interesting features, there's this camera which comes with a new UI, and as you can see, it says drag up and down to zoom, swipe on the each side for gallery and the settings. So on the right you have the gallery and the left you have the settings. So as you can see, here's a gallery. Since there's no photo capture, it shows as blank, but on the swiping from left towards right takes you to the settings option. And here, as you can see, you can scroll it down and make changes. So let's say there's the option of twist capture, when you have to twist your smartphone twice to launch the camera anywhere, anytime. Let's turn it on and show you a demo of that. So right now, let's say I'm on the home screen, and if I want to capture a photo of something, I have to twist it twice and I'm ready to go. So the next thing is I can just quickly capture a picture and it's done. If you would like to preview it, you just have to swipe it from the right towards the left and the picture is available for you. A pretty decent capture considering that I just captured it randomly. So that's about the camera interface. You just have to twist your hand twice and you'll be taken to this interface. The other options are also listed here. As you can see here, you can enable the GPS geotagging option, the panoramic mode. You can also capture slow-mo videos. That is pretty interesting. In this case, I'll be capturing a few slow-mo videos and showing you a demo of that so that you can get an idea on what I'm referring to. So that's about the slow-mo feature. Apart from that, there's also option of tap to focus if you would like to focus on some area by tapping onto the same. There's also a mode of HDR which is set on auto. You can enable or disable it if you really want to capture a macro mode picture. So that's about the few options available on this device. Let me just show you a tap to focus option demo, and it should actually focus onto that, but it's not doing that part. Let's try to enable the touch to capture mode now and see if it actually works in that case. So let's try to first. Yes, now it actually works. So as you can see, by taking the pictures, I was not able to focus perfectly as we were getting some blurred images, but after enabling the option of touch to focus and capture, then we are getting some better picture results. So that's about the Moto X overview on this Android smartphone. You can ask us any questions if you have any in the comment section, and let us know if you would like us to check out something on this device. We'll be posting some interesting videos around this smartphone this week, so do like this video to appreciate our efforts and let us know in the comment section if you have any queries around this Android smartphone. We will also be comparing it with the Samsung Galaxy S4 and the Apple iPhone 5 and let you know which device is actually better in terms of the usability and not just the hardware. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.